Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make and fold the paper boat with A4 side sheet. So I have a paper boat. So I'm going to make and fold the paper boat with A4 sided. Alright, to make and fold paper board you have to take A4 size sheet and follow this step. You have to fold it. I'm going to fold it. You can see I'm going to fold it. Make sure you fold it well. Okay, you can see now we have to go to fold it. I'll go down and fold the paper. You can see now I'll go to the lines. So I'm going to fold. You're going to fold it. Okay, you can see we have folded it. So I'm going to fold. I'm going to fold it now. I'm going to fold it. You can see I'm going to fold it. That I'm going to fold it. I'm going to finish folding and making until it is ready. I'm going to fold it. I'm going to fold this. I show you. I'm going to fold it. Now I'm going to find another one. Another one. Okay. You can see I'm going to fold it this one. You can see now I'm going to fold it. I'm going to pull it out. Okay. Now I'm going to fold it. I'm going to fold it like this, like this, and like this. So boot. After making and folding paper boot with A4 sizes, the paper is ready. We have successfully made and fold the paper boot with A4 sizes. This is the same paper fold with A4 side sheet. Please do not forget subscribe, like and share, turn on the notification, press bell icon, then press on that you will receive notification. Please make sure to add me on Snapchat completely and send I to me. Send I to me because I will send you message shortly. So let me know in comment section below. Please subscribe, like and share for latest update. Bye. I see you next short.